Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can blue screen of death fix itself? Your computer cannot fix itself after a BSOD error. You need to restart your device in order to fix blue screen of death crashes. As a matter of fact, most BSOD error messages will ask you to restart your computer so as to fix the error or launch any troubleshooting actions.
Take our lead.
If you have any system restore points that were created before the blue screen of death started appearing, you may be able to fix it by performing a system restore. If you are not able to access your Windows and its desktop, then after several system reboots Windows will automatically start its so-called repair mode.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Although a BSOD won't damage your hardware, it can ruin your day. You're busy working or playing, and suddenly everything stops. You'll have to reboot the computer, then reload the programs and files you had opened, and only after all that get back to work. And you may have to do some of that work over 4 February 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
A bad memory module, RAM, can cause unpredictable behavior in a Windows system, including the dreaded blue screen of death. If you suspect that your RAM may be faulty, you can run a memory test to confirm that you have a bad memory module. 14 December 2011.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.